Casual baggy outfits are all about combining comfort with an edgy, confident vibe. This style is characterized by sleek, trendy pieces that make a statement without sacrificing ease. Whether you're running errands, hanging out with friends, or just chilling, casual baggy outfits allow you to look effortlessly stylish and put together. Here is a guide to help you create the ultimate casual baggy looks. Crop tops are a staple in any baddie's wardrobe. They are versatile, comfortable, and effortlessly chic. Start with a basic fitted crop top in a neutral color like black, white, or grey, paired with high waisted jeans or joggers for a sleek, streamlined look. Graphic crop tops add a fun, playful vibe to your outfit. Look for bold logos, phrases, or graphic designs that make a statement. Off shoulder crop tops are perfect for showing a little skin while keeping it casual. Pair them with distressed jeans or a mini skirt for a flirty yet relaxed look. High waisted bottoms are key to achieving that perfect body silhouette. They accentuate the waist and create flattering hourglass shape. A pair of high waisted skinny jeans is a must have. Choose a pair in a dark wash for a sleek, slimming effect, or go for light wash distressed jeans for a more casual laid back vibe. For ultimate comfort, high waisted joggers are the way to go. Pair them with the fitted crop top and chunky sneakers for an effortlessly cool look. In warmer weather, swap out jeans for high waisted shorts. Denim shorts are a classic choice, but biker shorts offer a sporty street style edge. Oversized hoodies and sweatshirts are essential for casual beddy outfits. They are cozy, comfortable, and add a touch of street style. Go for oversized hoodies featuring bold logos or graphics. Pair them with cycling shorts or leggings for a relaxed yet stylish look. Cropped hoodies combine comfort with a little edge. Wear them with high-waisted jeans or joggers for a balanced, flattering silhouette. For an effortlessly cool vibe, layer an oversized hoodie over a fitted long sleeve top or turtleneck. Finish the look with slim-fitting joggers or leggings. Matching sets are a go-to for casual body style. They are easy to wear and instantly make you look put together. A matching sweatshirt in a neutral or pastel color is both comfortable and chic, paired with white sneakers and sleek hairstyle for a polished casual look. Matching biker short and crop top sets are perfect for warm weather. Add a pair of chunky sneakers and some statement sunglasses to complete the outfit. For a more sophisticated take on the matching set trend, try a knit set. A matching knit top and pants or skirt offer a cozy yet stylish outfit option. Sneakers are the footwear of choice for casual body outfits. They are comfortable, stylish, and preferred for completing your look. Accessories are key to elevating your casual body look. They look to add a touch of personality and flair to even the simplest outfits. Outerwear can make or break your outfit, especially in cooler weather. Opt for pieces that add to your body aesthetic. No body outfit is complete without flawless makeup. The key is to keep it polished yet effortless. Bold brows, winged eyeliner, and glossy lips. The most important element of any casual body outfit is confidence. Wear your clothes with pride and embrace your personal style. No matter what you wear, the key to pulling off the body look is confidence. Stand tall, smile, and rock your outfit with pride. While trends are fun, make sure your outfit reflects your personal style. Whether you prefer bold and edgy or sleek and minimal, wear what makes you feel good. Casual body outfits are all about having fun with fashion. Don't be afraid to mix and match different pieces. Try out new trends or experiment with bold accessories. To achieve the ultimate casual body look, it's important to have a well curated wardrobe that includes all the essentials. Start with high quality basics like crop tops, high waisted jeans, and oversized hoodies. These pieces will serve as the foundation of casual body wardrobe. Remember, the key to any great outfit is confidence, so wear what makes you feel your best and have fun experimenting with different styles. Thank you for tuning into Luna Fashion and Beauty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion and beauty tips.